Certainly. The flatten nested list iterator leetcode problem 341 is a common problem that involves working with nested lists. The goal is to create an iterator that flattens a nested list structure so that elements can be accessed in a single, flat sequence. Problem statement: you are given a nested list of integers, which may contain other nested lists. You need to implement an iterator that returns the integers in a flattened manner. Class definition: the problem requires us to implement a class nestediterator. The following methods in itself. Nestedlist initializes the iterator with a nested. That is the nestedinteger class. To solve this problem, we will also assume the existence of a nestedinteger class that has the following methods: as integer returns true if this nestedinteger holds a single integer, and false otherwise. Otherwise it returns known. Otherwise it returns known. It returns known. Implementation: let's implement the nestediterator class using a stack to manage the nested structure. Initialization: the init method initializes the iterator with a nested list and calls a helper function flatten to populate the stack. Flattening the list: the flatten method reverses the nested list and pushes its elements onto the stack. Reversing is necessary to maintain the correct order when using a stack due to LFO behavior. Next element: the next method retrieves the next integer from the stack, popping the top element and returning its integer value. Check for next element: the hasnext method checks if there are more integers to return. It pops elements from the stack until it finds an integer or the stack is empty. If it encounters a nested list, it flattens it by extending the stack. Complexity time complexity own, wherein is the total number of integers in the nested list. Space complexity ode, where is the maximum depth of the nested list. The stack can grow to accommodate the deepest nested structure. This implementation effectively flattens the nested list structure while maintaining the order of elements, allowing for efficient iteration over the integers.